Hey everyone, it's your boy Doc Williams, and today we're releasing Doc's Docs. This is all of my notes where I'm taking notes from creating different apps, the books that I'm reading, the best cheat sheets for how to create APIs. All of those different things are found in Doc's Docs, and this is a special for Black Friday. The price is going to be going up, so because you are a fan of the channel, you support all the things that we're doing over here, we want to reward you with this special offer, and the link is down below. Now, what you'll find in Doc's Docs are some of the best things that I've found over the year. Let's go through them. Number one, it's all the tools that I use for live streaming, all of the different things that I use to run our business. Also, for the most popular, you'll see how to become a full-time creator, the steps and the notes that I've taken for myself, and also different books that I suggest, how to create an effective course. I've released over 150 courses for myself and over 50 for my clients and other businesses I've been associated with. So we talk about how we create that, not just like how to use Teachable or Kajabi, but like the thought process of testing the idea and then executing. All of those things are found there as well. And then there's also some goodies where it's the trending topics as well, where I'm talking about how to start with NFTs. If you're into just starting out with crypto, how would I start? What articles did I start reading? All of those things are found in Doc's Docs. So if you want more information, make sure you click the link down below. This is for you if you're thinking about trying to create a side hustle, you're just interested in what's coming up in the world, what's trending. That's what you have Doc's Docs here for you. Not just information, but how to start and have actionable steps. Super excited about this project and can't wait to see you in Doc's Docs.